Get paid by just uploading files online with the sources that I'll share with you in today's video. They are absolutely free and worldwide available, so anyone can join, even a beginner. If you're interested, make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this tutorial. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, and you can get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online. If you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this video that I'm going to share today. Without any further ado, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple sources so you can combine all of them in order to make this strategy work in the proper way. So the very first step that you need to complete is to come over to the first platform for today, which is also the one that is going to pay you, and it's called Up4Ever. This is over at upload-forever.com. You can see that this is a file sharing free cloud storage that is also going to pay you, and they pay you every time someone downloads your files that you're going to upload on here. I'm going to show you what kind of files you can upload so you can make the most money and how you can find people to download your files, so stay tuned for that. So you can see that I do offer a referral program as well if you want to get paid in extra income, in passive income, and also you can get 10% extra profits from the members that are going to be registered through your link. You can also buy products if you want. They offer you detailed statistics, also low minimum payout, which is $1. Whenever you reach $1 in your account, you can easily cash out. They offer you the high rates and also a support team that you can ask them anything. By scrolling down, you're going to notice that they offer 3 memberships as well. 2 of them are free, so you can use those ones, and then you can even go for the premium one, but of course you don't need to do that if you don't want. And you can see that they do offer a mobile version. You can upload files from your phone. It is fast and smooth. You can get notifications and messages. You can see your statistics and profits. There are many features and also user interface. So you're going to just use the website version here from your computer or even the mobile application. So I want you to go over actually to the make money section that you're going to find up here. In this page you can see more information about it and how much money you can make. You're going to get paid like up to $7 per 1,000 of downloads. So whenever 1,000 of people are going to just download your file, you're going to get paid up to $7. But this depends on the tiers. You can see that in the tier 1 there are countries like United States and Canada. In the tier 2 it's Australia and so on. So if these people are from the United States and Canada, you can get paid up to $7. You can even see the megabytes over here. Also, if they are from Australia, you're going to get paid $4 and so on. Of course, I'm going to show you where you can find people from this country so you can make the most money. You can even check out some other features as well, and the most important part, how you're going to get paid. They pay you through different payment methods, which includes PayPal, Payeer, Skrill, NetTeller, Payoneer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, and so on. So you can choose the one that you like the most. And I want to mention that this platform has been around since 2016, so that you're going to know that this is a legit platform since they've been around for quite some times now. You can even go over to the payment proof section so you can see people getting paid again and again through their preferred payment method. You're going to notice over here they have paid like hundreds and thousands of dollars to their members, and also this person here has made like $57, this one here $48, and so on. There are other people making like from $1 since that's the low minimum payout, but of course it depends also on you, on the amount of effort and dedication that you put on this to get the desired results. You can even focus on their referral program in order to make the most money. This is just one page out of thousands of pages with payment pros, which once again shows how legit this platform is. What I want you to do right away is to click on the sign up button up here in order to create an account for free. You can do that by putting your username and password, retype the password, put your email, complete the CAPTCHA, click on the sign up button. You can even register with your Facebook account, Twitter account, Google account, or this other account here if you want, because it is a lot faster and easier. So once you create your account, this is how it's going to look like. Right now you can find the welcome button up here. You click on it and click on my account so you can go over to your dashboard. This is how it's going to look look like. You can see that you can upload files, you can see your account balance, which is $0 right now since I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial. You can check out how much money you have made from your referrals, how many referrals you have, and also the use space. So you have like 120 gigabytes. You can even check out the payment sections over here. You can put your payment information and you're going to withdraw your money as well. So what I want you to do right away is to click on the upload file section, and it's going to take you over to this page where you need to choose the file that you need to upload. Of course, I'm going to show you what kind of files you can upload, and I highly recommend that you go over to Google and search for some business tips. I'm going to focus on this one to show you just an example, but I want you to just focus on a very popular niche that you think that people are going to benefit from it. So I chose on the business tips, and then you're going to notice that there are a lot of articles here available on Google. After that, what I want you to do is to get as much information as you can and then gather all that information in one document. So I have opened up Google Docs over here. I've created this article, as you can see, 10 top business tips for starting a business that will succeed. You can even give it another title if you want to, but what you need to do is to save this on your computer. Go over to the file section and then go over to the download one to just download it as a Microsoft or Word or even a PDF document. Either way, once you get it on your computer, you need to upload it. So as I said before, click on the choose file section so you can just upload it over here. Then it's going to look like this. You can see that you can get your download link. You can even have a code for forums and these other ways as well. And once you just get it, you're going to share it with people. Then they're going to download it and you're going to get paid again and again. I highly recommend that you get the code for forum, since I'm going to just show you traffic source that it's a forum in this case, so you can just find the most people over there. So this forum is called trendry.com. Actually, on this website you can find a lot of forums related to a lot of categories related to the make money one, business, startup and entrepreneurs. So this one is going to be our focus. You also are going to notice that they offer personal finance forums, marketing and advertising, and so on. So what you need to do is to find some of the forums that are related to business ideas, choosing and managing a business, and so on. So you can notice here there are millions of people that are viewing this kind of discussions here or forums. You can see that there are a lot of people giving messages and threads here, posting a lot, discussing about these things. So you're going to take part in these discussions. You're going to just start communicating with these people, and you're going to share that link that you're going to get from Up4Ever. So I told you even before to get that code from the forum, so which is this one here, and you're going to share it over here on trendy.com, so you're not going to get banned from it whenever you start posting a link. So it is perfect actually. You can find a lot of interested people, and you're going to notice that they all speak in English here. So most of them may be from United States and Canada, so from English speaking countries. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you like it. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you with the next tutorial.